Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Messenger couldn't load high resolution image problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first thing first, we're gonna check out whether our app is updated or not. Open up your app store, go ahead, go to search bar, type in Messenger respectfully, and then you're gonna find your app, and if it says update, simply go ahead, tap on update and let your app update over there, because if it's not updated, sometimes that can just occur to remind you, hey girl, you gotta update your app. That is one of the reasons. Once you're done with updating, you're gonna straight go to your settings, and you're gonna go back and you're gonna go ahead, go to your general on top. Let's go ahead on top and go to general, tap on iPhone storage. From over here, go ahead, tap on your Messenger app, tap on show all. You will find your app right over here. Tap on Offload App. You will be able to offload your app. It will still keep your data and documents right there. It's just gonna remove all the unnecessary cache files. That's how you can fix it. And the next thing is, you have to remember there are certain resolution files that you can actually send on social media platforms that they actually support of. If it's a very high resolution file, so it might not be able to support it. That can be with any file of yours, so be aware of what kind of file you're sharing, and that is it. So that's how easy it is to be doing so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.